Ready to get started with HubSpot? Here's a simple walkthrough on creating your new account. So, in order to do this, you first need to head over to hubspot.com. And once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to click onto this Get Started Free option. This will actually help you create your account through the sign-up page. You just need to provide your details directly right here. So let's wait for this right here to load. Just provide right here email that you want to use, or you can also continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Then provide right here my email and verify it. As you can see right here, it will then ask for the verification link sent to you, and it will also ask for a verification code. So for this case, just wait it directly into your Gmail, and then from there, just input the code that it will ask. Once you have inputted your code, it will ask for the password that you wish to use. So I leave that for you. And then after that, click on Next. Continue filling up. It's only 1 out of 8. It will ask you 8 questions. So just continue to answer those questions that they will give you right here. So it's probably to gauge the actual experience and tailor it directly right there. After that, this will actually load, and if it will ask you if you're a robot, just answer the CAPTCHA directly. Just continue answering right here their questions, and after that, just proceed to log in directly. Now, once you're done answering everything, you should be able to see right here your actual dashboard and homepage, and you can see right here the tools that you can use with HubSpot. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.